Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can add a clickable link on your Instagram. So as you guys can see on my Instagram profile, right under break over here, you can see bit.ly. If I click on it, it's gonna take me to the website. So this is basically my Snapchat website and it takes me over there. So that's basically like what a clickable link looks like, and I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can add a clickable link over here. But remember this, in order to add a clickable link on your Instagram account needs to be a creator account or a business account. To do that, you can click on the three line at the top of your screen, go on versus setting, and on setting you can see where it says account over here. Click on it, scroll all the way down, and here's going to be switch account type. Click on switch account type and switch your account into creator or business account, because this feature is only available for creators and business account. All right, once you do that, what you want to do is get the link of where you want your Instagram followers to be once they click on it. So let's say I want my Instagram followers to go on my website, so I'm gonna get the link of my website over here. So after I get the link, I'm just gonna copy the link over here. You guys also copy the link which you want to add, and you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom over here and click on versus edit profile. Once over here, you can see the website icon. Under over here where it says website, you need to paste the link which you just copied. So I'm just going to remove my older link and paste my new link over here and click on done. Once I do that, it's going to load for some time, and once it's done, my new link has been added over here. Now I can click on it and it's going to take me to my website. So yeah, that's how you guys can add a clickable link on your Instagram. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then.